You ever see those glow-up videos where it's like, how I went from this to this, but they never actually say how, just pretty edits, soft lighting, and some random trust the process quote. We're done with that. Here's exactly how to look max, from face to energy. First things first, your face is your canvas. No amount of makeup or filters will cover up poor upkeep. Lookmaxxing starts with real maintenance. Skincare equals baseline. If your skin barrier's wrecked, your glow-up's already sabotaged. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, every single like you day. Build from there. Niacinamide, salicylic acid, tretinoin. Only once your basics are consistent. Eyebrows shape your whole vibe.
Tweeze smart, don't overpluck. Lips, exfoliate and hydrate. Dry, crusty lips equals instant downgrade. And let us not forget about teeth whitening. Strips, toothpaste, or oil pulling, it's worth it. We don't want strangers staring at yellow teeth. It's a huge low-key confidence killer. Now, let us dive into some facial structure hacks. First one, mewing. Tongue on roof of mouth, breathe through nose, posture straight. Sounds weird? Yeah, but models swear by it. Next up, gua sha lymph drainage. Not magic, but it reduces puffiness and sculpts your face if done right. Lastly, posture equals free glow up. Chin up, shoulders back. Stop slouching like you've given up. So now your face is snatched and your posture is giving confidence. But what about the features that pull it all together? Let's talk hair, lashes, and details. Hair equals your crown. Get a cut that actually frames your face. Volume, layers, bangs. Whatever suits your features, not TikTok trends. Comment down below if you want a video about this. And once your hair is giving, it's time to lift those eyes literally. Even if you don't wear mascara, curl your lashes, brush your brows. Shape matters. And if you want to leave a lasting impression without even speaking, scent equals silent flex. Smell expensive, and that doesn't mean pricey. Get a signature scent or layer your lotion smart. You've upgraded the physical. Now let's match the vibe. Confidence is a habit. Stand tall. Eye contact. Speak like you mean it. You don't have to fake confidence. You just have to practice it. And you can't move with confidence if your body's burned out. Stretch, walk, move your body. You glow different when you feel strong. Last piece, the part most people ignore. Mental glow up. Hydrate. Sleep. Cut toxic energy. Journal your wins and goals. Lookmaxxing isn't about changing who you are. It's about becoming the best version of you, unapologetically. So stop watching other people's glow-ups and start building your own.